Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBP USD, British Pound, US Dollar for Monday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So this is a 1 hour chart of GBP USD in front of us, and more or less our levels did a fine job on Friday. And Friday market closed at 1.2693, which is also the FIBO 23.6% retracement level and also the previous support. So let's look at the trading opportunities for Monday one by one. First of all, DXY US dollar index. So yesterday we talked about the importance of DXY to cross this level here to continue the uptrend. The level of 103.44, 103.55. DXY tried to cross the level, made a high of 103.53, but it failed to sustain. And after that, we saw price rejection from above and followed by a big red candle. Ultimately, DXY settled at 102.92. This is the last traded price of DXY. So the market opening will be important, because if DXY wants to continue the upside, then obviously it will have to cross this level here. Then only we can expect a trend reversal on DXY or US dollar index. Right after the market opening, if there is a drop on DXY, then the next support levels where you can expect the buyers to protect DXY are 102.52 and 102.30 to 102.25. The green box here is the strongest support on the chart of DXY. Before the green box or this buy zone, we also have 102.50. So these are the levels on the chart of DXY if there's a drop right after the market opening. And as I said, if DXY wants to continue the upside, then obviously it will have to cross this level so that it can move higher. So GBPUSD showed good amount of bullishness on Friday, and during the closing hours, market was under correction. So the market opening will be very important just to know whether market will be continuing or GBPUSD will be continuing the correction, or GBPUSD will be done with the correction finally and will be going higher. So yes, the market opening will be very important. And as we all know that during the first half of Monday, we don't get to see crazy volatility. Market usually prefers to sleep. Okay, so if Monday market opens like a typical Monday market, then we can expect the levels that I have mentioned here to work. First of all, we have a good level of support around 1.2665 to 1.2655, or you can also consider 1.2660 as well. This is the best support on the chart of GBPUSD if GBPUSD comes for correction. See, correction and trend reversal are both are different things. If you see the market is coming down, but the volatility of the market is not very high, you can expect 1.2665 to 655 to work as the next support. Because we have FIBO 50% retracement level, and FIBO 50 does a very good job on GBPUSD especially. FIBO 50% retracement level and previous high, also the resistance you can consider, will be working as support here. If we combine both the factors 1.2665, 1.2655 seems to be a good support. If market comes for correction on Monday with not much volatility, this will be the next support. Before 1.2665, we also have a level around 1.2678. 1.2678. This is also the FIBO 38.2% retracement level, isn't it? Because see, 23.6, 38.2, then 50. So we jump to FIBO 50 directly. But before FIBO 50% retracement, we also have FIBO 38.2. So which is 1.2678. But 1.2678 is not a very strong level if the volatility of the market is low. If you see the market is going down, but size of the candles are small, means there's not much volume, not much volatility. In that case, you can expect 1.2678 to provide support to the market. If you see the market is showing price rejection from below, market is forming small candles around 2678, it means that buyers are present and you can go for a buy position. Confirmation is extremely important, and as I always say, volatility will play a very big role, and always it does. In case of extreme volatility, because of some news during the weekend, then obviously the scenario will change completely. And if we get to see big red candles right after the market opening, things will be quite different. So let's not focus there. So if you really like my work and if you really want to take up trading as a serious source of income, then you can consider joining the world's most affordable Forex Trading Workshop. Yes, the Forex Trading Workshop is back again. I conduct a workshop in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Just go to my website, you will see the topics that I'll be covering in 3 days. Okay, it's a 3 days workshop, and you can see that these are the topics that I'll be teaching after the workshop. Yes, right after a 3 days workshop, there will be weekly classes. Okay, so workshop is a part of the Pro Trader program. You can see the benefits or the support you'll be receiving during the 1 month. So 10 reasons to join a Pro Trader program and all these benefits you'll be receiving. You can see here I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. And most importantly, the workshop is not for complete beginners. If you're a trader who have been struggling with the market, unable to make money for the last couple of months, then only the workshop will be useful for you. That's why I have also shared a questionnaire so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. And the best part is the fees. You can see here it's only $15 or rupees 1000 for Indians, and you can see the dates are 5, 6 and 7 for Hindi classes, and for English classes 8, 9 and 10 of July. Timing is mentioned here, everything is mentioned, and if you cannot attend, no need to worry, recordings will be there, okay, so that you can watch later on. Everything is mentioned on the website, the payment procedure and all, everything. So if you really want to take up trading to the next level, you can definitely consider joining the workshop. After all, this is the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop, and hopefully you will learn a lot of things. On the other hand, if we get to see market going up, okay, yes, that is also a possibility, isn't it? If we see that right after the market opening, market is trying to go up, if you want, then you can obviously go for a buy position, but it is better to wait for the market to settle. But if you are a daredevil kind of a trader, if you are a risk taker, then that's your personal call, and you can go for a buy, considering this to be the support. On the chart of GBPUSD, the strongest sellers are present around 1.2760 to 1.2750. This is the best resistance on the chart of GBPUSD, where we can expect strongest sellers to be present. On Monday or by Tuesday, if there is a sudden upside on the chart of GBPUSD, then GBPUSD will be facing some trouble around this area. On Monday, especially during the US session, if there is no influence of the news, if you see GBPUSD is around this level, then you can expect price will face some rejection from above. If market reverses, we can also consider a sell around this area. Okay. And apart from 1.2750, 1.2760 level, we also have a minor, resistance around 1.2737, 1.27 okay, let's make it 1.2735 to 1.2740. This is also a minor resistance on the chart of GBPUSD. Why we are considering it as minor resistance? In my experience, okay, I have seen that whenever there is a drop in the market and market forms few base candles and then market drops again, usually it is said or it is believed that institutional level buying or selling takes place. Okay, after a big move, if you see market forming some base candles and market continuing the move, okay, so it is considered as institutional level, okay, order execution. So 1.2735 to 1.2740 may act as resistance. Once market will hit the level, observe the volatility of the market. If market is not much volatile, if you see the market is struggling, market is showing price rejection from above, will give us the confirmation that yes, sellers are present around this area and we can look for a sell. So on the chart of GBPUSD, we have 5 trading opportunities. Okay. First of all, if you are a risk taker, daredevil kind of a trader, if you want to take a buy right at the market opening, that's your personal call, because market just closed at a support. On the other hand, if market continues the correction and if the volatility of the market is not very high, we can look for buy position around two levels. First of all, 1.27 2678 FIBO 38.2, which is not a very strong level, weak level, but volatility is low, then we can expect. If market takes support and bounces, we can go for a buy. Otherwise, 1.2665 to 1.2655 is a better level to take a buy. On the other hand, if market goes up, then the green box at the top is the best level where we can expect sellers to be present. Otherwise, we also have a minor resistance around 1.2737 to 1.2740 as well. So these are the trading opportunities that I see on the chart of GBPUSD for Monday. Anyways, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. Do not gamble with your hard-earned money. Be a trader, not a gambler. Do not chase the market. Wait for the market to come down to the right price. Bye-bye. Take care. Have fun with your friends and family during the weekend. Bye-bye. Take care.